Hi, I'm Claudia Rimoli, founder of Soothie Cushion. I developed Soothie out of necessity. I suffered with back pain. I couldn't find a product on the market that would give me the relief that I needed. Today I'm going to show you what to expect when you order from Soothie. Soothie is a therapeutic cushion that solves it all. Soothie gives you instant relief that lasts for hours. It's a memory foam cushion that enables the use of temperature therapy. It's hot, it's cold, it's comfort by degrees. There's no batteries, there's no plug-ins or chargers. This is how Soothie is going to arrive on your doorstep. So you just open the box, pull Soothie out, and this is your Soothie cushion. Soothie cushion is going to come with 2 straps. These straps are so versatile that you can use them to wrap them all around your body, from your neck to your hip to your knee to your on your shoulder. And these are about 30 inches long. We do offer longer ones, so if you needed to have a size 46, they're available on the website. So it's going to come with 2 straps. These are shoulder protectors or chair protectors. So if you've got a nice leather chair and you're going to have this on your office chair, then you're going to use these on the snap hook so it doesn't damage your chair. So then we're going to open this up. This inside is memory foam, and it's about 2 inches thick, and it's going to make the cushion very soft. It comes with 2 of the Soothie elements. These elements, when put in the microwave, are going to stay hot for 3 hours. When frozen, are going to stay cold up to 6 hours. And it's the first product on the market that you can do hot on one side and cold on the other. Also, what's included with Soothie Cushion is this blue case, and this is spacer mesh, and this helps with condensation. So when you want to put your cold one in, you want to make sure that you put it in here, and then once you put the cold element in, all you have to do is shake it and it goes right down. And here is your other element. So it's going to come with 2. These are identical. They're interchangeable. So when you go to put the cold one in here, then you're going to take this one and put it back into the freezer, so you can just rotate them. This is your hang tag, and it's just going to give you simple instructions, so please read it. And then now I'm just going to zip it up, and I'm going to show you quickly how to put this on as a backpack. There you go. And that's your Soothie cushion.